Here's how I set up this no filter, no CO2 nano moss aquarium. For this scape, I'm using the UNS 20C, which is a perfect little cube, 20 by 20 by 20 centimeters. I'll put down a base layer of aqua soil just to put my rock on top of and to stabilize everything before I add some more soil. I'll create a pretty tall slope to the back using that rock as a sort of barrier to prevent the rest of it from spilling forward. And I've never done this before, but I see moss being grown on these stainless steel mesh pieces all the time, so I just bought some and I'm cutting them to fit the gaps around the rock perfectly, or sort of. And then for the tedious part, but in my opinion the most fun, I'm taking pieces of moss and this ADA moss cotton and I'm just wrapping it around the stainless steel mesh. This is going to disintegrate in a few weeks, but for now it holds the moss in place while it takes root on the soil and on the steel mesh. So do that on each individual piece of mesh that you cut and then add them to the tank and fill it up. Here's the look a month later. Things grew in surprisingly well. I only do a water change about once a week. I'm doing 100% water changes right now though, just to get rid of the ammonia. And at some point I'll add livestock, so let me know what you think I should add.